Well, hey there everybody. It's December here in Western Washington, Pacific Northwest, and it's supposed to snow here the next couple days, but we don't get a lot of snow here in Western Washington. So I bought myself a snow thrower. This is a Snow Joe 10 amp corded. I was thinking about getting one that was gas powered or battery, and I decided just to go with the electric. It's the cheapest one on Amazon that's a 10 amp. And I'm going to see how this thing does. I'm going to show you. One of the things that I didn't want to do is I didn't want to buy a gasoline powered because I didn't want to have to do maintenance on it every year. Because we're just going to use these things maybe once a year. And sometimes we'll get, I don't know, maybe 2 feet of snow over the course of 3 or 4 days max. Normally it's only like 3 or 4 inches or a dusting. And it's just not cost efficient enough to buy one that's gasoline powered for up here, because then I'd have to do maintenance on it every year, put it away, winterize it, or summerize it I should say, take it out in the winter and make sure it's all good to go. Just didn't want to take the chance, not to mention the gas go bad if you don't take all the gas out. So for less maintenance I figured I'd buy this thing. See if I can get it out while sitting down. There we go. So what it does is this piece right here spins. Try to get a better light in there so you can see it. It spins and throws the snow out. Pretty simple unit, but for under $100, I figured why not. Looks like it all just sort of slides together. Try to do this without instructions. And yep, looks like that. Looks like a real simple way to put it together. Now it is 10 amp, so you got to remember you have to have an extension cord already that's at least rated to 10 amps. I actually have a few 12 amp extension cords, 100 footers, so I didn't really need to get anything for it. If you do not have an extension cord, the extension cords for a 10 amp or 12 amp, for a 12 amp extension cord is around $40 for 100 feet. So you might want to just go ahead and get yourself one of the battery powered, but depending on how much driveway you have, that battery might not last very long. You might be out there, do a few swipes, and you're all done. That's why, another reason why I decided to get a corded here. Looks pretty sturdy. Pop that out really quick, slide it on. You should have put it on at the cord, but I don't read instructions very often, so go figure. Spin this on, and this thing should be ready to go. Now all I need is a little bit of snow, and I'll be able to test it out properly and see how it does. So, Snow Joe. Get you a really good close look up at that. Alright, well it looks like we're getting our snow. Now I just gotta wait for it to stop snowing. Alright, I am very excited about using this thing. It's still snowing a little bit. I wrapped up my foot with a whole bunch of athletic tape, so I'm all nice and sturdy on my Achilles. And I'm going to try this out. We are in a convergence zone right now, so I don't know if it's going to stop snowing now or a little bit later, but let's try it out. Well, not too bad. Let's see how that thing looks from here. Spinning nice and happy. I'm gonna have to be careful not to get any rocks going through on this thing, otherwise I might throw the rock, hit somebody's window. So I need to make sure I got a good eye on where I got this thing pointed. Well, this thing isn't too bad. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of this driveway. Bring it back in, let you know what I think. I already know it's a lot easier than using a regular shovel. Alright, well, I got the whole driveway done. It wasn't quite as good as I thought it was going to be. Still a lot of sore muscles, mainly in my back. My shoulders aren't that hurt because it was throwing the snow. It is a snow thrower. But with this driveway here, going all the way up, I couldn't have done it with a battery operated one, so I'm glad that I got an electric. But I don't think I'd buy one of these things again. It does go in. It did pretty good on my driveway. It is a compressed gravel driveway. It did pop one stone, which damaged it a little bit right here. So, don't know if you can see that or not, but little damage right here. Other than that, it held up good to my gravel driveway. That's basically because I just went, turned it a little bit too much, dug it into the ground. It goes with learning how to use the thing. But it helped. Wasn't the greatest. And if you're gonna get one, I don't know, get an actual snow blower. But for this, at least it was only about $70 in the summertime. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening and have a great day.